Welcome once again to my channel and welcome to another explosive video tour of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. So I'd like you to watch this video to the end. This is one of the best video tour that you can ever see on social media because of what I know and the current information. So if you're in Nigeria, in abroad, and even Nigeria in Nigeria, you can take advantage of this video because it's an eye-opener for everyone who is going to watch to the end. So take advantage and watch because there is a lot of information you don't know about this route. As you are seeing where I'm standing, this section is fully completed. And remember, my name is Adisa Adewale and I'm a real estate investment coach here in Lagos, Nigeria. And my job is to assist you to get good real estate deal right here on the island. And welcome to Nigerian #1 big real estate family channel where you can buy property and you can also sell. So we are one big family right on this channel. So all you need to do to be part of this channel is to turn on the notification bell so that you can get updates on all of our real estate deals, real estate tips and real estate advice for both Nigeria, home and abroad. And welcome to Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway right here in Eleko inside. We have two types of Eleko. We have the one along the Lekki Expressway and we have another one inside Eleko that is closer to Eleko Beach. And I'd like you to join me as we move on this tour. We are coming from the outside and we are moving to the end of this section of Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway in Eleko inside. Remember, the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is coming from VI and is going to connect to Ogombo Road. It's going to connect to Ogombo Road and it will link down to Eleko inside and it moves down to Epe, from Epe to Ogun State, from Ogun State. And you know, the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is going to pass through close to 8 states in Nigeria before we get to Calabar. So this video is to intimate you of the current development that is going on. So we are, as you are seeing now, the casting of this section of the inside is fully done. The last time I came to this place, they've not done something like this. And as you are seeing, very massive concrete. So this concrete is just like the one we have on the Lekki Express Road. And what is the benefit of this Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway for Nigeria in abroad? We have a lot of real estate around this Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. And you know, this one is the longest in West Africa. And you know now, anytime you see this kind of road, you will see development. So there is a lot of development this place is going to attract. So I have 3 estates that you can take advantage of. I have here Peak Palm Estate, and that one is in Eleko Magbon town, and it's past this route. And also I have Funke Akindele Estate, which is, you know, like by my left hand right here, less than 3 minutes drive to Funke Akindele. And we have one of our strong, fast selling estates. It's 20 minutes away from here. 20 minutes. It's not even up to 20 minutes. Less than 10 minutes away from here. And that is Lekki Havana Estate Bungalow. Lekki Havana Bungalow Estate. And it's come with a resort. And we are still selling bungalow in that place. So these 3 property around the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway is one of the one you can consider. And you know, it's a good buy. As you are seeing, massive work currently going on along the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. I'd like you to join me. We are going to the extreme end. And you know, this one is from VI to Abraham Adesoya to Mopo town. If you know Mopo, right in yes, Okunwaja. So from Okunwaja, it connects to this place and you move down. So I'd like you to enjoy the rest of the video as we go on this tour. You know, we are coming from the express to the end of this road, so join me on this tour.
Story of your life through winter storms and summer skies. There was a time when you were young and free. So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2000.